Have you ever thought about lightning and the surprising treasures it leaves behind on Earth? Let's take a dive into fulgurites, these natural glass structures formed when lightning strikes sand or rock. When temperatures exceed 1800 degrees Celsius, the sand fuses, creating delicate but rigid tubes that carry an imprint of the lightning's path. Beyond their beauty, fulgurites store climate history and information about ancient lightning patterns, offering scientists invaluable data for understanding historical weather trends. As you ponder the next thunderstorm, consider what these tiny glass formations reveal about Earth's climate and the stories they whisper from deep time. Could our growing understanding of fulgurites impact studies on current and future climate patterns?